Today we're going to look at conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to set the formatting of cells that will change as the values of the cells change. So the best way to demonstrate this is through a couple of examples. First example we're going to look at is conditional formatting on a color scale. In the example on the sheet we have the average monthly temperatures for three cities: Madrid, Dublin and Moscow. So the data is fine the way it is, but we're going to use conditional formatting to bring that data to life. So to apply the conditional formatting, we're going to apply it to all the cells that contain the temperatures. So I've highlighted the temperatures as such from cell B3 down to cell M5. And now I'm going to start applying the conditional formatting. So I'm going to click on Format and Conditional Formatting. You can also right click and select Conditional Formatting. A dialog box is presented and I'm going to set the first condition. So I'm going to set the first condition. I have these choices. Also I can put in a custom formula, but the first one I'm going to select is less than. If the cell value is less than 3, I'm going to set the background color to blue. And I'm just going to save rules and see how that looks. And you can see that the conditional formatting has started to take effect. I'm going to highlight the cells again, same cells again, and I'm going to apply the conditional formatting. And this time I'm going to click on the link that says add another rule. And this time I'm going to select is between 3 and 9. So I'm selecting is between 3 and 9 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to select the background color to be green. Now I could check the formatting, but I'm just going to continue on. I'm going to click on add another rule and I'm going to select is between 9 and 19. Select the background color to be yellow and add another rule. And this time is greater than 19. Now these values I've chosen are arbitrary and the colors I've chosen are arbitrary as well. You could change the values to be less than 2, between 2 and 8 degrees, or whatever. It's personal choice. And finally I'm just going to set the background color to be red and save rules. And now my chart has conditional formatting applied to all cells and the colours are set appropriate to the particular temperature in degrees Celsius. The second example I'm going to look at is a RAG status. Now RAG status, for people who do project management, stands for red, amber, green. It's a flag system to determine whether a task is overdue or shortly to become due or well in advance of the due date. I have set up in the table here tasks A to G and the dates set against. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to assume that today's date is the 26th of February 2014. And for those of you who in America and Australia and elsewhere who use dates in month, day, year format, just note that the dates I'm using are in European format. That's in day, month, year format. Okay, so it's pretty similar as before. So I'm going to highlight the cells and I'm going to select Format and Conditional Formatting. And first one I'm going to say is date is before. And I'm just going to select today and select the background color to be red. Click add another rule, set is greater than and equals today, open bracket, close bracket, plus 30. Now I'll just explain what's going on there. Today, open bracket, close bracket is a built-in function in Google Sheets which will read the current date of your computer. That function is just saying get today's date and roll today's date forward by 30 days. So I'm saying if the date in the table is greater than 30 days from today, well then we're well ahead of schedule, so that date, that task is going to be highlighted in green. Click add another rule and is between today, and oops, forgot my equal sign, and equals today plus 30. And the text background is amber. And I'm going to click on Save Rules. So my dates are now highlighted, so I can see that 4 of the dates are now behind schedule. 1 of the dates is going to expire in the next 30 days, and 2 of the tasks, their due date is more than a month away, so they're in green. Finally, if you want to remove formatting, you can just highlight the cells and click on Format and Clear Formatting, and the formatting is removed. And not only is a conditional formatting removed, but also the format number is no longer formatted as a date, and also the border style around the table has been removed. Now I can reapply the formatting quite easily. I can click on another date, say an orange one, click on the Format Painter and click back into the cell. The date is reformatted as a date, and it is formatted as as red, not orange, because the date is of a different value. Thank you for watching.